Miss Peachy, Mr. Chair, do TikTok allow gutter language?
Mr. Chair, we strive to balance free expression with protecting user safety, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, is gutter language free expression? Let me ask you, are you a journalist or not?
Mr. Chair, no.
Okay, now, let me ask you now, being just a human being and a man and a person that believes in decency, does TikTok allow gutter language?
Mr. Chair,
Yes or no?
Mr. Chair, we allow various expressions on the platform, but we do restrict profanity for
You restrict
underage,
profanity.
yes, for underage users.
And
sir.
what do you do when you restrict profanity?
It is not allowed on the For You feed,
Well,
Mr. Chair.
here is an example of profanity right there. Hindi ko nga kayang basahin eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
This is profanity. That is profanity right here. Oh.
Papabasa ko sa DSP.
Sumagot na? Sumagot na?
Di ba?
Ano pala?
Oh. So you said that you do not allow, you restrict profanity, Mr. Chair. And this is profanity right there.
Understand, Mr. Chair. We do not allow hateful expression, if I may, Mr. Chair. We don't allow hate speech.
Well, you should put this out then.
Yes,
Because
Mr. Chair.
you can be accountable to this.
Mr. Chair, we're glad to work with this honorable committee to study the content that you are showing to us.
All right? And I have also here some, not just profanity, but pornography. Dance, people who do not have bra, who only wear skimpy clothes, dancing in TikTok. Do you allow that?
Mr. Chair, we do not allow pornography on the platform.
Now, do you consider a woman without any bra at all, and you could be able to, it's now, tinatawag natin na wala nang naiwan sa imahinasyon. Eka nga, ano? Oo. Yung bang mga babae na nagsasayaw dito at naka-bikini o meron dito, hindi ko na makita eh. You said you don't allow that. Here, for example, this one here. Ayan. Oh. Nakikita yung breast niya. You don't allow that. That's pornography, am I right?
Mr. Chair, we're happy to once again work with this honorable committee to study the content that you're presenting to us,
Well, I'm so glad.
so that
Mr.
we can
Chair.
coordinate.
I'm so glad. Oh, ha? Kasi alam nyo, hindi ako sanay sa TikTok eh. Ngayon ko lang talaga tiningnan to maigi eh. Ha? Hindi. Ayan, tulad yan. What do you call it? Is that not pornography right there?
Hindi naman, sexy lang eh.
Sexy lang.
Sexy lang.
Sexy lang. Ha? Hindi. There's nothing left in the imagination dito eh.
Meron naman.
Wala na.